How to make 3D progress bar in DaVinci Resolve. Right-click in the Media pool and select New Fusion Composition. Double-click on the composition to open it on the Fusion page. Click anywhere empty and press Shift+Space. Search for S-Rectangle, Extrude 3D, Merge 3D, and Render 3D nodes, and add them one by one. Select Rectangle node, and set width to 0.4 and height to 0.4. Add a background node and connect it to Extrude 3D. Select Background and choose a green color. Add a rectangle mask and connect it to background. Bring a transform node after background node and release it when the line turns blue. Select the transform node and set size to 3.2. Select Extrude 3D and set extrusion depth to 2. Go to Transform tab, then change order to XZY. Set Y to 90 and Z to -33 degrees. Decrease center translation X until the shape is in the middle of the viewer. Select Renderer node and check Lighting and Shadows checkboxes. Now select Merge 3D node, press Shift+Space, search for Ambient Light, and add it. Select Ambient Light and increase intensity. Search for Spotlight, and add it to Merge 3D as well. In the Transform tab, increase Translation Z property, then in the Controls tab, decrease intensity. Now select Extrude 3D node and click on Controls tab. Here we can use extrusion depth to make the animation. Right-click on Depth property, and choose Modify with Anim Curves. Now in the Modifiers tab, set Curve to Easing and In-Out to Cubic and Scale to 2. At last, go to Effects tab, expand Templates, expand Fusion, and click on Shaders. Bring any of these shaders into composition and connect it to Extrude 3D. Here I bring Gold Bump and connect it to Extrude 3D. Double-click on the Gold Bump group, then select every node till the Blur node and delete them. Collapse the group again. Then in the inspector, increase Face on Strength all the way up. Select Renderer 3D and click on Color Corrector to add it afterward. Choose any color you like. You also can change the color over time by right-clicking on the Tint property and choosing Modify with Shake. Now go back to Edit page and drag the composition into Timeline.